Buyers, have you heard of the 2-1 Buydown? Buyers, are you frustrated with higher mortgage rates? Did you know that there are options available to help offset the cost of these rates? Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the SF Bay Area. As an active buyer in today's housing market, a 2-1 Buydown might be for you. So, what is 2-1 Buydown? It is a mortgage loan to help the buyers to offset the higher interest rates. With this program, your payment will be 2% lower than the first year, 1% lower to the second year, and then it goes back to third year fixed rate mortgage. This is done with a seller credit, and the credit is your savings. The seller credit will sit inside your mortgage account and feed over to monthly payments to make that payment whole. Any money left in your escrow account at the end of the term, or if you decide to refinance, will be credited back to your principal balance. So it is your money to keep. Fantastic program for buyers today. If you are a buyer looking to buy and would like more information on this program, reach out to my team and me. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area, serving buyers and sellers with integrity and excellence. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.